name's Sharyn Johnston from Australian Tea Masters. I hope you will join us on the Korean Origin Tasting Tour as part of the program. We're going to offer you some Korean teas and a lot of different facts about Korea and its teas. We have some beautiful teas that we're going to be tasting on the tour. We've got a really beautiful Wojeon, which is the first peak of the teas. And we also have some fermented teas, which I probably don't realize that Korea actually makes a fermented tea. We're going to take you on a tour of the Bosong region. You're going to see some beautiful tea plantations. We've got some lovely film clips to show you. You're also going to meet some farmers from Korea. We actually have Charles Moon, who's one of the very famous Korean tea farmers, and he will be at Raw Tea Expo and will be actually in the class with us. So I really hope you can join us. We have some other things, Korean breakfast tea, which we developed with the 12 farmers. It's a black tea, a really beautiful black tea with notes of honey and malt. So overall, you're going to experience about 4 different types of tea, actually tasting them. Plus you'll learn a lot about tea treats, about incense, about Korea itself, and about tea in general, and some really exciting things that Korea does with tea. All right, hope you'll join us. See you. Thank you.